This video is only meant to provide general legal information and is not legal advice. Before you take any action or rely on any information in this video, it is recommended that you consult an attorney or contact the Legal Aid Society of Hawaii. Meet Emily. She is a happy-go-lucky 5-year-old who will start kindergarten soon. Emily likes her dog and drawing and playing outside with her friends. Her favorite place to play is outside of her grandma's house, which is where Emily is living right now. Meet Emily's grandma. Grandma is a little worried because she needs to enroll Emily in school for the first time, but doesn't actually have custody of Emily. So she goes to the Legal Aid Society of Hawaii to figure out what her options are. Let's meet the lawyer. The lawyer tells Grandma what her 3 potential options are. 1. A power of attorney. 2. Guardianship. Or 3. Adoption. The lawyer helps Grandma decide what is best for her and Emily by going through each option. First, a power of attorney. This is a legal document prepared by a lawyer, notarized, and signed by Emily's parents and Emily's grandma, giving permission to Grandma to do something specific, like enroll Emily in school, or it could be more general and just give Grandma permission to act like the parent. It is important to know that places like schools or doctors or even government agencies do not have to recognize or accept a power of attorney. Power of attorneys normally expire after 1 year. Grandma knows that Emily will be staying with her longer than a year and that the school in her neighborhood does not accept power of attorneys. So she asked the lawyer about the other 2 options. The second option is a guardianship. A guardianship would allow Grandma to make important decisions for Emily, like a power of attorney. However, Grandma would have to go to court to get a guardianship. If the court agrees with Grandma's request for a guardianship, Grandma would be able to make all decisions for Emily, like where to enroll her in school or what kind of medical care Emily might need. Guardianships are also recognized by schools, doctors, insurance companies, and government agencies. The rights of Emily's parents would not be terminated under a guardianship, and Emily's parents would still be responsible for financial support. Grandma's definitely more interested in this option, but she wants to know more about the last choice, adoption, and how it is different than a guardianship or power of attorney. Adoption, unlike guardianship, would completely terminate the rights of Emily's parents, so the parents would no longer be financially responsible for Emily. Adoption is permanent and cannot be undone like power of attorney or guardianship. Grandma would also have to go to court for an adoption, and if the court allows Grandma to adopt Emily, Grandma would be legally considered Emily's parent since birth. A new birth certificate would be issued listing Grandma as Emily's parent. Adoption is definitely the strongest of the 3 options, but also carries the most responsibilities, and may or may not be the best choice. Grandma decides that the guardianship is the right fit for her and Emily for now, and it is a really good thing that Grandma took the time to speak with the lawyer. Grandma did not know that a guardianship existed before talking to the lawyer. The 3 options, power of attorney, guardianship, and adoption, are very different, and the best choice can vary depending on the specific situation. You can visit www.lawhelp.org/HI for more information with court forms and brochures. Remember, this video is only meant to give general legal information and not to give specific legal advice. For more information, call Legal Aid Society of Hawaii at 808-536-4302 or visit www.legalaidhawaii.org.